Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, this is DIY craft videos signing in, and I am going to share with you our most beautiful and very classy and attractive pebble stone painting ideas for you guys. So guys, you decorate your homes with these pebbles. These are super amazing and very stunning stone painting ideas for you guys. I am glad to see you all guys. Hope so viewers you enjoyed this video. These are very pretty, these are very amazing and very beautiful stone painting ideas for you guys. Viewers, if you want different other pebble painting ideas, then you guys must subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. I am glad to see you all guys. Follow for more details. Keep subscribing my channel. Keep watching my videos. Stay tuned till the next video. And if you want different other videos, then you also must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. Always take care guys, always be happy. These are super incredible and very beautiful stone painting ideas for you guys. I'm glad to see you all guys, and keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz guys.